Making twists can be fun for you and I. On the first day, you can't wait to rock your bounce, rock your twist, and then this might even continue for some few days. But after a while, it becomes frizzy, dry, ugly, and doesn't even look alive. At this point, if you try to take it down just like that, it breaks and you may even lose some hair instead of retaining length. So, what do you do to revive your old dry twist and get them looking fresh as before, hence retaining some length? My meditation of him shall be sweet. I will be glad in the Lord. This is the psalm of the day and it's taken from Psalm 104, verse 34. Welcome to the channel, and today let's revive my old twists that are looking pale and frizzy. You guys watch this video because I posted it here, and if you haven't, you can just go back to see the video that I made this twist. Okay, it's been 2 weeks that I have this twist on as at when I was making this video, and I want to apologize because my voice is quite croaky, and that's to tell you that I caught a flu and your girl is not feeling too well. Anyways, I started out by using water. You want to make sure to use water. Water is the ultimate moisturizer. Okay, you want to make sure to use water to spray in that hair. If you do not have a spray bottle, you can just go in the shower and just get your twist damp. I'm not saying you should make it wet that it's going to be dripping down. No, just make it damp enough that you can feel that it's quite flexible and no longer dry. Okay, water is very, very essential, whether you're drinking it or you are spraying it on your hair. Both of them are very important. Now you're going to use your hand to press that water in and get it really soaked, especially if you are a low porosity hair girl. You want to make sure to press that moisture in. The next kind of moisture is leave-in conditioner, and I am using the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. To make sure that this gets in very well, make sure that you go in part by part if possible, and be very generous with your leave-in conditioner. Do not be stingy. As a natural hair girl, leave-in conditioner is very important. It has a lot of liquid that might help your hair. Okay, next I'm going in with a hair butter, and that's because my hair is high porosity. You want to make sure to go in with the liquid, the hair butter, and the oil, or the liquid cream and oil. If you're a low porosity girl, you want to make sure to go in with liquid, oil, and cream. Okay, so high porosity girls we go in with LCO method, and low porosity girls we go in with LOC method. As you can see, I'm using oils to go in generously, scalp by scalp, using my hands to massage. Massaging is a very important part of getting your braids alive, your braids or your twist alive. You want to make sure to pay attention to the ends of your hair because they are like the dead part, most especially, and you want to make sure that they come out alive. If they are not well moisturized or hydrated, they're going to snap out and break, thereby you're going to lose a lot of length instead of retaining length. Protective hairstyles like twists are great, but guess what? They can also be damaging if not properly done. Okay, so it's not about how well you do your protective hairstyle, it's how well you can manage your hair while in protective hairstyles. Now I'm done with that, and you can see how my hair is looking. The steps are so short. It doesn't take a tail, it doesn't take a hand and a leg to do this. It is very, very easy. Look at these braids, or look at these twists. Tell me how they look compared to the way it was, compared to the way it was before I started, and you notice a huge difference. Also, my hair grew out very well in 2 weeks, and that's because I was making sure that I was moisturizing every 2 days. I'm just going in with edge control for the front of my hair, and because I'm going to be styling it. Yes, so if you like, you can do this. If you do not like, you can skip it. It is totally optional. If you're watching at this point, it means that you love this content and you love this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video to other girls out there, drop a comment for me in the comment section. And you guys, I cannot wait to share my beautiful hair tips with you. Welcome to the family. Now I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to style my hair. I'm going to be showing you different ways that I'll be styling this hair, girls. It is so much fun. I love styling my hair. Unfortunately, I don't get to share that enough, but I think I have some videos on that already, so you can just go through my channel and you see some styling videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I go through the side part. I try to do side part to the left and to the right. Here I'm doing a high bun. This is like everybody's easiest hairstyle, whether you're old, whether you're young. Then I'm doing a half bun with some leave out at the back. I didn't like the scrunchie I used, so I used this purple one. I think it blends well with the clothes I was wearing and the theme of my video, so you can see how beautiful it's looking. Look at all those twists. The next style I did was a slick back bun, and I also added a scrunchie to it. Next I'm doing this two side plaits with some hair at the back, giving it some bun or puff, and that's what I did. I left out two at the front, yes, and then I accessorize with the two that I have. Simple. The last one is this that I did. I braided it too, and it made actually a lot of sense. Then I actually tried the bantu knot style by turning my twist to bantu knot, and when I took them out the next day, I absolutely loved them. Let me know which of the styles you love, and if you want me to drop an extended video on how I achieved this style, I'm going to be doing it because I still have the videos here with me, so that you're going to see how I actually created this style. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If this video makes a lot of sense to you, do not forget to support your girl. It means a lot to me. Drop a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and let me know how you feel about this video. Tell me your favorite style, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.